tide seems to be a cycle. I vaguely remember that 3 or 4 years ago, transparent RGB keyboards were quite popular, but after that it seemed there was no more sound. When I touched this keyboard, it was truly all back. Not only do you think tonight is right for you, but Kybum Light Beauty Bar is the one. Major manufacturers are rolling around the anode wood mouse for fine housings. The degree of flamboyant color matching and decorative arrows. With such a transparent keyboard, it truly feels like a breath of fresh air in the market. Opening the keyboard was a bit shocking. I know it's transparent, but I didn't expect it to be this clear. The entire keyboard shell is made of highly translucent acrylic material, including a transparent keycap that looks good from every angle. This keyboard is very transparent. This highly transparent acrylic material really has something special. It already offers a visual experience very close to glass. Feels very delicate to the touch. The entire keyboard weighs about 1.8 kilograms. A flying LV Toto keyboard can achieve this weight. This prediction is quite impressive. The layout uses 98 pieces plus 1 knob. Smaller keyboard, no 2U0 design, just 3 commonly used function buttons. The texture of the metal knobs is still very good. The sense of scale is also quite good. Next to the knob are the keyboard battery level indicator and connection mode lighting effects. This design is quite good. It does not affect the overall aesthetics of the keyboard. Compared to other 98 level keyboard layouts, the F-zone arrangement feels a bit tight. Also for the delete key, I made a compromise. If the delete key is placed a bit to the right, Zone F will indeed be more relaxed. However, the lever on the entire keyboard tends to be a bit messy. The front height of the keyboard is about 22 millimeters. The front facade features a USB-C port switch for dual system switching and connection modes. Inside, it's also very transparent and a very simple nameplate, and 8 transparent screw holes for the keyboard. Being able to make the screw holes so sensible is really impressive. The keycaps are made of ASA high-precision transparent PC keycaps. The light transmission is really good, and the switches use a crystal switch. This time, Keyboom has also done a great job with the switches. Because it's a transparent keyboard, the switches don't match the shell, so it's never fun. So the pink ones have pink rose switches, the purple ones have the orchid silver switch, and the crystal switch. The pressure on the 3 types of switches is different. Both the orchid silver and crystal switches have an initial pressure of 45 grams. Pink rose elbow June month green only 38 grams. This honey bar, I've been using it at home for half a month now. The sound and feel are truly excellent. Let's listen to the typing sound briefly. Unscrew the 8 screws at the bottom of the keyboard to open it. For filling, it uses an integrated silicone sandwich for dense and burnout electric charging. There's nothing else to say. Because of the transparent material, you can directly see this Guangmei bar. If I had to describe it in one word, I think it's just light luxury. The transparent keyboard really does have a strong sense of luxury. Of course, there are also drawbacks. Whether it's PC transparent keycaps, high transparency acrylic, or makeup, they are all very prone to fingerprint stains. If you have a cat at home or frequently lose hair, it may often fall into the keyboard and require frequent cleaning. If you have OCD, I still suggest you consider carefully. Of course, if you just like its looks, I think WuNow is the one to join. Currently, there are no competitors on the market that can compare. That's all for this video. If you like it, remember to follow me 3 times. Thank you so much and see you next time.